So guys, this is the deluxe hotel here in Grand Lagoy Hotel dito sa Bintan. Ito yung room nila ng deluxe. Malaki at napakalinis. And ito yung table, yung mirror. And then ito yung ambience niya sa labas. Ayan, napakaganda. And then, mayroong lake doon. Ayan, yun yung lake. And then, that's the beach. Dagat yan dyan. Ayan. So, walking distance lang din siya dito. So, tomorrow, magsuswimming na ako. I have to enjoy my vacation. Gusto ko lang mag-relax. That's why I decided to spend my vacation here. Maganda. This is a beautiful place. It's worth it. So if you plan or if you want to have a vacation in Indonesia, you can go to this place and spend your vacation here. It's not very expensive. It's just affordable. And that's the lake. Ayan. And then that's the view that you can see from my balcony here. And I'm going to show you the bathroom. It's really nice. This is the bathroom, the sink, the mirror, the shower room. That's the shower room, and the toilet. It's really nice. This is just a deluxe. How much more to the premium or superior room? It's more nice. This is my closet. Yeah, I did not arrange my stuff properly yet. And this is the hanger, the box, but I didn't put my money there. It's just fine. And then we have kettle, and then you have, if you want to have tea or coffee, and then there's free water here, and it's free breakfast. And oh, there's a refrigerator, mini refrigerator. Well, I can put something here. Yeah. And then it's really nice. The room is really nice and comfortable. And so the ambience is really nice. Beautiful. It's beautiful. So it's worth it of the money. And it's worth it to spend your vacation right here. So there's a lot of people right there taking photos, roaming around. But later I will go out downstairs to also take a photo of myself, the view, so I could show you guys the beautiful island of Bintan. So that's it for today's vlog, and hope you like my video today. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy watching. Thank you so much. I love you all, guys.